Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Sanket Thurge. I'm an entrepreneur by profession and based out of Pune, India. Recently, I have written a book on Google Cloud Platform. This book covers many aspects of GCP and covers all the major services that GCP provides. I am creating a series of videos which will be helping readers to get more understanding of the topic. So the next topic that we are going to discuss about is overview to AWS. So this is chapter number 9, which is appendix. So to give the overview of the AWS, first of all we have to go to this link aws.amazon.com. So let's go to that link. So here are we with on the link that I have shown you. So here are we where I have clicked on the link which is aws.amazon.com. So here we can see that we have multiple options, we have multiple tabs. Sort of which the one I'm going to click on is products. So you can see there we have a huge number of services that AWS provides. So out of that we are going to focus on the major services and I'm going to give you a one-liner overview of what each service does. So in compute, we have Amazon EC2. So Amazon EC2 is secure and sizable virtual machines on cloud, wherein you have VMs that you can start on your Amazon cloud. They called it as EC2, Elastic Cloud Compute. Then we have Amazon EC2 auto scaling, wherein you can update compute capacity as per the requirement. That is the feature of AWS EC2 auto scale. Then we have Amazon Elastic Container Service. Elastic Container Service assists in running containerized applications on the cloud. Then AWS Lambda, it is a serverless service wherein your only concern is to write the code. The infrastructure part is handled by the AWS. Then comes the Elastic Load Balancing. So elastic load balancing achieves scalability, performance, and security to make an application fault tolerant, which is very important aspect of load balancing. Then next thing we are moving to is the storage. In storage, we have Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 is the object storage on cloud with global reach. So that provides the global reach, which stores any kind of format in the bucket. Then we have Amazon EBS. So it provides persistent block storage for virtual machines in EC2. So EC2 will be having Amazon EBS as their storage mechanism. Then we also have EFS, Elastic File System. So it helps us in file storing on AWS. It is simple, scalable, and very reliable. Then we have Amazon Glacier. So Amazon Glaciers helps us in archiving the data for long term in secure manner and have very durability and have great durability. Then comes the storage gateway. Storage gateway is a seamless local integration to retrieve data in hybrid solution. And last part of the storage that we are going to discuss is the Snowball. So Snowball is the petabyte scale data transport service. So typically you get an appliance to your workplace, you attach that appliance to your data center, copy the data from your data center to the appliance, and that appliance will go back to your AWS repository, your AWS location in that region. Then next category that we're going to discuss about is the database. So in database, we have four primary database: Amazon Aurora, Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, and Amazon Redshift. So Amazon Aurora gives us MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible database, whereas Amazon RDS gives us Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server on cloud. In Amazon DynamoDB, it is a NoSQL database, which we pay for throughput and storage only features. Next is Amazon Redshift. So Amazon Redshift is the data warehousing solution for fast, cost effective and simple requirements. So these are the features of the services that we have in database. Next is networking and content. So first is Amazon VPC. Using Amazon VPC, you can define your own virtual network. That helps you in separating it from the AWS infrastructure. Then we have Amazon CloudFront. So Amazon CloudFront helps the service or helps the application to build a content delivery network. It is also called as CDN. Then we have Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is the DNS solution by Amazon, wherein you can buy the domain from Amazon itself. Then AWS Direct Connect. So AWS Direct Connect assists you in building a direct connection between on-premise to AWS. So this is the purpose of Direct Connect. Then we are coming to the developers tool. In developer tool, the four major service that we have is AWS Code Start, AWS Code Commit, AWS Code Build, and AWS Code Deploy. So in AWS Code Start, we can build, develop, and deploy applications on AWS. In AWS Code Commit, we have the private Git repository for securing project codes privately. In AWS Code Build, we can build and test the code. It is also helpful to test the scenarios in case of high demands. Then we have Code Deploy. So AWS Code Deploy code to various services such as EC2, AWS Lambda, and many other services. So this is the developer tools. Next part is the management tools. In the management tool, the three major services that we will be using is Amazon CloudWatch, second is Amazon AWS Auto Scaling, and AWS CloudTrail. These are the three major services that are part of the management tool. So AWS CloudWatch collects and matches metrics of application running in the AWS. So every application that you have in AWS, it is going to collect huge amount of metrics, and we have to collect that and show it somewhere in the form of logs or in the form of a mail. AWS Auto Scaling scales your application with optimization between cost and performance. So that is a very important aspect of AWS Auto Scaling. Then we have AWS CloudTrail. AWS CloudTrail use it to track users activity and API usage, which is very important, and it is also useful for auditing purpose. Next topic is we are going to jump into is machine learning. So machine learning has a huge category in AWS. We are going to focus on 5 primary services that AWS provides. One is Amazon Lex, second is Amazon Poly, third is Amazon Recognition, fourth is Amazon Machine Learning, and last is Amazon Translate. So to give you an overview of all these services that we have, Amazon Lex builds voice and text-based conversational apps that use machine learning in backend. That is the purpose of Amazon Lex. Whereas in Amazon Poly, service that converts text into speeches and therefore helping you to build the talking app. So if you have an app which you want to make converse with your end customer, you can use Amazon Poly there. Next is Amazon Recognition. Amazon Recognition helps us in image and video analysis with the power of deep learning. So you can use Amazon Recognition for that purpose. Then Amazon Machine Learning can create machine learning models on AWS. If you are a ML expert, you can use Amazon Recognition to build your own machine learning algorithm. Then we have Amazon Translate. So Amazon Translate translates one language into other language, as simple as that. Okay, so now we are moving to the analytics part. So we have this analytics huge category, a very important category we have in terms of analytics. So in analytics, the 6 major services that we are going to focus on is Amazon Athena, Amazon EMR, Amazon Elasticsearch, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon Redshift, and AWS Data Pipeline. So Amazon Athena is used to run SQL queries on the top of S3 data. So S3, as you all know, S3 is a simple storage service which is part of this storage thing, which is a bucket. So where if your data will be in the form of files, if you want to run SQL query on the top of those files, you can use Amazon Athena. Then Amazon EMR. So Amazon EMR stands for Elastic MapReduce. So here we can run Hadoop, Spark, HBase, and many other components on AWS. So this is like Hadoop on cloud. Next is Elastic Search. So Elasticsearch is on the top of AWS where you can perform some searches, but this is very much specific to website part or any database where you require to query multiple times. So instead of putting the latency in place, then Elasticsearch is way too faster as compared to any other database that we have in market, which requires huge latency. Then we are going to Amazon Kinesis. So Amazon Kinesis collects, process and analyze some real-time data. Redshift, as we know, is a data warehousing solution on cloud. AWS data pipeline. Using AWS data pipeline, you can easily move and transform data inside AWS from S3 to S3, from service to service. You can do that using AWS data pipeline. So these were the services that we talked about in analytics category. Then we have security, identity and compliance. So in security, identity and compliance, the major two services that we have is AWS IAM, which is identity and access management, and second is Amazon Cloud Directory. These are the two major services that are used by enterprise. AWS IAM manage access to users and service their access, and Amazon Cloud Directory have multiple hierarchies of data along various use cases and projects. So these are the major pillars when we talk about security, identity and compliance. Now moving to IoT. So IoT is also a very important service category that AWS has, and in that they have three major services. One is AWS IoT Core, second is AWS IoT Analytics, third is AWS IoT Button. So first, AWS IoT Core. So AWS IoT Core helps us to connect billions of devices to AWS flawlessly and easily, whereas AWS IoT Analytics helps us to perform analytics on the IoT devices. So if you want to perform analytics on the top of IoT devices, you can use AWS IoT Analytics. Then AWS IoT Button. So this service helps us to connect an AWS Amazon Dash button hardware to the AWS. So you can look out that how this AWS Amazon Dash button works. But if you want to connect that Dash button, you can use AWS IoT Button to connect that Dash button to your cloud. Now moving to is the migration. So migration, under migration service, we have three major services: AWS Migration Hub, AWS Server Migration Service, and AWS Database Migration Service. So first we are going to discuss about the AWS Migration Hub. At AWS Migration Hub, you can track the progress of all the migration in AWS that are going on in AWS. In AWS Server Migration Service, which we also AWS Server Migration Service, we can migrate on-premise server and their workloads to AWS very securely and very reliably. And last is AWS Database Migration Services. This service helps us to migrate on-premise database and their data to AWS, again securely and reliably. Okay, I think I by mistake clicked on that service. Okay, so now moving to other small services, the category of services that we have in AWS. One is AR and VR. So AR and VR, we have a service called as Amazon Sumerian. So Amazon Sumerian is a service using which you can build your VR and AR application. Then in applications, we have category, we have services such as Amazon Simple Queue Service (SQS), Amazon SNS Simple Notification Service, and Amazon MQ. Using these services, you can work on notifications. You can use pub-sub events based application, mobile push, and SMS. So this is prominently used for integration of different applications in AWS. Next is Next is customer engagement. So under the customer engagement category, we have Amazon Connect, Amazon Pinpoint. We have, sorry for that. Under customer engagement, we have Amazon Connect, we have Amazon Pinpoint, and we have Amazon Simple Email Service, SES. These services help you to maintain the customer engagement through cloud-based contact center, push notifications for mobile application, and sending and receiving emails. Next category is business productivity. In business productivity, we have Alexa for Business, Amazon Chime, Amazon Work Docs, and Amazon Workmail. These are the services offered under the business productivity. We can have meetings, video calls, and chat using Amazon Chime. Similarly, Amazon Work Docs provide enterprise storage and doc sharing feature, while Amazon Workmail provides a secure email service. Next category is desktop and app streaming. Desktop and app streaming helps us to securely access your virtual desktop application from any device over a network, and also stream desktop application to a browser. Then we have media services. In media services, we have multiple options. But this service helps you quickly build your mobile app and scale it. Then we have media services. So media service provides you with the tools to help you build your own video content platform. So here, for example, we have Elastic Transcoder. If you have the video in the form of MP4 format on your storage, say in S3, so in that case, you can use Elastic Transcoder to convert that MP4 into some other format where the customer is watching it. So if customer mobile or customer's device do not support MP3, then automatically Elastic Transcoder will convert the format of that video, and along with that it also check the then we have media services. So media service provides you tools that helps you to build your own video content platform. That is the major use of media services. Then we have mobile services. So in mobile services, we have multiple services. Majorly, all of them helps us to quickly build our mobile app and scale it exponentially. Then we have game development. So going to the game development category, we have two services, Amazon Game Lift and Amazon Luberyard. So Amazon Game Lift and Amazon Luberyard are two different services that can help you build some great games. While Game Lift serves the purpose of hosting games, Luberyard provides cross-platform 3D engines. So these are the two major features of Game Lift and Luberyard. Then we have software. So we have just one service under software, which is AWS Marketplace. AWS Marketplace provides you with a single place to consider buying software and quickly find, test, buy, and deploy softwares. And in cost management, we have in services in cost management are built to help you access, understand, allocate, control, and optimize your AWS cost. So these were the few of the major services that AWS provides, and I think this was very helpful for you to get the complete understanding of what services AWS has under how many categories. I hope this was very useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope the overview to AWS console was very helpful for you. You can check out the description. You can check out the link to buy the book in the description, or you can connect me through my email ID or my phone number. And I would request you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment to this video. If you have any queries, you can put in the comment section. I will try to revert on them as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video.